if we covered, so when we covered 650 kilometer means, so how much it will take? So that means we have to think about, so 2 by 11 into 1650. Okay, so 2 by 11 is that for 1 kilometer. So for 1650 kilometer means we have to multiply the 1650. So 2 by 11, so 2 by 11 into 1650. Okay, so can we divide that 11th table? So here 1 11s are 11, here 1 11s are 11, remaining 5. So that 5 will combine with this 555 will happen, will be there. So that means 5 11s are 55, this 0 will just overtake that. So 150, so 150 into 2. So 150 into 2, what's the value? So 300. Okay, so 152 into 300. So that means when we cover, so I will write here, so when we cover 1650 kilometer, when we cover 1650 kilometer, we required 300 liters of diesel. Okay, so 300 liters of diesel. So I will mark here, this is that answer. Okay students, so can you understand? Okay, the next question is question number 10. So question number 10, so question number 10. So what they given in that question number 10? So first, Raju purchases 10 pens for 150 and Manish buys 7 pens for 84. Can you say who got the pen cheaper? So first one, we have to write the given data. Okay, there are two person, Raju and Manish. So first I will write here for Raju, here Raju and here Manish. Raju and Manish. Okay, so the thing is, actually for Raju, 10 pens he bought for 150 rupees. Okay, so Raju, 10 pen, for 10 pen cost is 150 rupees. So 1 pen cost is, so 1 pen cost means 150 divided by 10. So this 0 will cancel. So we can able to rate 15. So this is for 1 pen. So 1 pen cost is how much? 15 rupees. So I will write here 15 rupee. Okay. Okay, this is for Raju. And the next thing is for Manish. For Manish, what they given? 7 pen. So 7 pen cost is, how much they given? For 7 pen, 84 rupees. 84 rupees. That means 1 pen. So 1 pen which is equal to 84 rupees divided by 7. Okay, so how can we divide that? 84 divided by 7. So 1 7s are 7. Here 1 7s are 7. Remaining 1. That 1 will combine here. That means 2 7s are 14. So that means 1 pen is 12 rupees. So 1 pen which is equal to 12 rupees. Okay, that means how many pen they asked? They didn't ask how many pens. So can you say who got the pen cheaper? So who got the pen cheaper? So first we have to know that for 1 pen cost, how much Raju spent and how much Manish spent. So actually that Raju spent for 1 pen 15 rupees. Okay, for 15 rupees he spent. For Manish, for 1 pen 12 rupees. So that means who got the pen cheaper? Cheaper means low price, very low price. Okay, he got that pen means, so who got that? That is called Manish. So we can write Manish got the pen So Manish got the pen. Manish got the pen cheaper. Okay, students. Okay. So next problem is the last problem, question number 11. So question number 11. So what they given in the question number 11? Anish made 42 runs in 6 overs. So Anish made 42 runs in 6 overs. So 6 overs. This is for Anish made 42 runs in 6 overs. And Anup made 63 runs. Anup made 63 runs. 63 runs in 7 overs. In 7 overs. So who made more runs per over? Who made more runs per over? More runs per over. Okay, so Anish made 42 runs in 6 overs. Anup made 63 runs in 7 overs. So who made more run per over? So okay, per over, who gave more runs means, so first we have to know that Anish made, how much he made? So 6 overs. So when he put 6 over means 42 runs he will give. Okay, so for what is that? So Anush made in 6 overs. First you have to write Anush made in 6 overs. So Anush made in 6 overs. How much for 6 overs Anush made? 42 runs. So 42 runs. And for Anush made for in a 1 over. So Anush made in 1 over. In 1 over, which is equal to, so Anush made in 1 over means, so we have to return as 42 and this will come down. So this will come down means 6. Okay, so that means 42 divided by 6. So 42 divided by 6 means we can divide, no. So that means 1 6 are 6, 7 6 are 42. So for Anush, for Anush 1 over. So for Anush 1 over is how much they given? Each and every over. So he consumed that. That means he gave 7 runs. So 7 runs they consumed. So this is for Anush. And one more person, that is Anup. So Anup, for Anup. So for Anup, how much they given? So Anup made for 7 runs, 7 overs. For 7 overs. For 7 overs, if you put means how much they given? 63 runs. 63 runs. For 1 over. For 1 over, if you put means, so how much they given? 63 divided by 7. So it will come division. So we can cancel, no. So 1 7s are 7, 9 7s are 63. So this is for 9 runs. If you put 1 over means for 1 over. So for 1 over, if you put means 9 runs, you have to give. Okay, so out of these two things, and who made more runs per over? So Anup, so he made, okay, so he made How much runs? 9 runs. So 9 runs, but Anish 7 runs they given, but here Anup is 9 runs. So the Anup made more runs per over. So we have to write finally the answer. Okay. So answer. So what is that answer? Anup made more runs per over. More runs per over. Okay, so how much Anup given? 9 runs he gave. Okay, students. Okay, so this is the problem, students. I hope you all understand. I hope this exercise I will finish. So anyway, I will explain that in this full exercise you have to know that what is mean by unitary method. Okay, so unitary method is nothing but we have to find the value of single thing for only. Okay, so finding single unit, finding single unit is called unitary method. So from unknown value you have to find that single unit. So remember students, single unit, that is called your unitary method. Okay, see, whenever you are going to read the problem, so that time you have to look at that unitary method. So how to solve this one, how to find the single thing, and then we have to move to that required thing. So I hope you can understand my class. Okay, so from the beginning onwards I'll explain that. See, one thing you have to know, students, so all the problem, the varieties of problems they asked, actually it will be very easy once if you understand the concept. So ratio and proportion. So if you give or borrow something means they will pay some penalty or whatever. Okay, so if you divide it means with your original amount means you will get that what is called that interest amount, everything will become. So same way here, first you have to know that there are 4 dozens. Okay, so here 4 dozens. 4 dozens. So here how many bananas can be purchased for 12.50 rupees? Same way you have to find that unitary method and then you have to find that required solution, that means required number. So this is we have to convert into dozen into here 48, then we have to cancel it, then we will find that ratio. So if we multiple with that our value, so we are getting that 10 bananas. So same way like here the one more thing also, book weight, how to calculate that one book weight and what's called 40 books weight. So these are the important topic. So here 595 kilometer means what will happen, 108 liters of petrol it will consume. So 1 kilometer if it is consumed means 108 by 594. So that means 18 divided by 99. So 18 divided by 99 means we can divide it by further table. So 2 by 11. So 2 by 11 is that right answer. And here 1650 kilometer. So that is for single unitary method we found. So 2 by 11. So same way you have to multiple. So this kind of only you have to work out, students. So yes. So anyway, I hope you can understand and I finished this ratio and proportion. Please take your classwork note and homework note, just maintain it. So one day I will call randomly, so that time you will get punished. Okay, even your parents also told, so that time you will get punished. So make sure that daily you have to read it, at least one topic, then only we can understand in the best manner. Okay, students, I hope you all understand. So that exercise 12.3. So based on the unitary method we have seen some problems, so just practice on that all the problems. So once if you did that practice on that unitary method, it will be very easy. So it's a cakewalk for you. Okay, so it will be very easy. So you have to find that one unit and you have to find the required unit. Okay, so thank you all. So thank you so much. We will see in that next class with a new lesson. Thank you.